works real good. Also use your stove to dry out other pieces of wood. Oh, I'm out of water. Luckily around here there is no short supply of water. If the water you're filtering out has a lot of sediment, it'll gum up your filter really quick. So I use the carrying case for my water filter to kind of do an initial screening. The carrying case will filter out all the sand and sticks and other things. I just hang up the dirty water and gravity pulls it through a filter, down the hose, and fills up my water bottle.